Hello all, welcome to Current Chem World. In this video, new project ideas, colorful spectacular experiments for science fair exhibitions are presented. We have compiled the various experiments conducted in our college fair into a book entitled Science Chemistry Fair Experiments for Colleges and Schools. Every year, schools or colleges organize a science expo to learn the concepts by doing experiments designed by students themselves. It is organized to popularize science and attract young students towards science and contribute to the growth of our country. In this book, we have demonstrated around 45 experiments or projects including recent concepts like nanoparticles. For example, gold 10 nanometer particle in red color on adding NaCl increases its size to 20 nanoparticles blue color. The nanoparticle color change depending upon the size, the nanoparticle color changes, photochemical reaction, fountain experiment, magic blue experiment are demonstrated. Here is the content of the book. Fountain experiment, elephant toothpaste, invisible ink, chameleon experiment. In chameleon experiment, the color changes pink to green, blue to yellow of permanganate reduction with glucose because of the reduction from +7 to +2 oxidation state. Burning of silica garden, silver tree, green flame, fluorescent, dance, reversible color change, blue ink, bleeding iron, fire without matches, electric pen, iodine clock, blood without knife, silvering of mirror, cracker sound, traffic light, color change with pH, photo-induced color change of thionin, blue clouds, beating heart, underwater fireworks. Water from nowhere, detection of adulteration in turmeric, milk, ghee, jaggery or sugar, chili powder, pepper, black snake, effect of size of nanoparticles on color change, Le-Chatelier principle demonstration, effect of temperature on equilibrium, inorganic crystal models, fluorescence preparation, soap making, blueprinting, chemical volcano, fabric dyeing using azo dyes, oscillating color, 4-color oscillator. Here are the safety precautions. Fountain experiment. For example, we have given the principle of experiment based on the high solubility of NH3 or HCl in water. The chemicals required are given. It will help the students to get the above items to set up the experiment. The setup is given along with cartoon diagram to carry out the experiment. As you see, the fountain, the water plus phenol, phenolphthalein is colorless. The pink color fountain appears. The summary is given in the presentation. For electric pen project, we need copper plate, as shown filter paper, 9-volt battery, holder or wire. The connection is made. The filter paper is wet with starch iodine. On electrolysis, when you write, iodine is liberated and gives blue color writing with starch, which is the indicator. In dancing flame, CuSO4 or any copper salt is taken and added concentrated HCl or aluminum foil. H2 gas produced on combustion. Lighting excites copper ion to give blue-green flame. In the book, all the details on quantities to be taken are given. Another interesting colorful experiment is magic blue. We have given the full procedure or method for carrying out the experiment. The principle is as follows. Methylene blue is reduced by glucose to colorless On shaking, reaction with oxidation takes place to give back blue color. Leaving undisturbed, it will become blue. On shaking, it can be repeated whole day. Procedure: take 50 ml of water in a 150 or 250 ml conical flask. Add it to 1 spoon spatula of glucose. Then add 5 pellets of NaOH to it and dissolve the mixture. Take a very small pinch of methylene blue. Dissolve in about 5 ml of water. A drop from the above methylene blue solution is added to the mixture in the conical flask. Shake the conical flask, close with rubber cork to give blue color solution. On leaving it untouched or undisturbed, it will become colorless. In this project, Le-Chatelier principle is demonstrated. What is Le-Chatelier principle? When the equilibrium process is subjected to stress, it will shift in the direction either forward or backward to undo the stress or change. This is Le-Chatelier's principle. In the left beaker, CoCl2 cobaltous chloride is dissolved in water to give red color. When you add acid HCl to it, it will become blue due to the formation of CoCl4 2-. Further to the same beaker, if you add water, blue becomes red. Similarly, when you heat the center beaker, it will become blue. On cooling it, it will become red. It will look amazing to the audience. Fluorescence preparation. In this experiment, how fluorescence is prepared is demonstrated. For example, rose water, jasmine essence, any fluorescence can be prepared using steam distillation setup. The rose essence is collected at the receiver. Many fluorescence can be prepared and exported. Blueprinting is based on photochemical reduction. FeCl3 is reduced by oxalic acid by light. Then Fe2 plus reacts to Prussian blue. It is used for blueprint plan in civil engineering. So you can make any design and print out using this concept. Dyeing of fabric. Making colorful design on your skirt, fabric or cloth. It is based on diazotization reaction. First, immerse the cloth in coupling agents such as naphthol, phenol. Then using a pastel pipette with diazonium salt solution, you make a design of your own choice. On drying, the red or blue dye color appears with your design. Please continue watching Karan's Chem World. Share, like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.